Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we'll be discussing practical poultry housing options designed to fit a range of budgets. Proper housing is essential for maintaining the health and well-being of your flock, as well as maximizing their productivity. We'll look at different materials, layouts, and features that can help you create a safe and comfortable environment for your birds. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your existing setup, these solutions are tailored to offer both affordability and effectiveness. Let's get started on finding the right poultry housing for your needs. Selecting the appropriate poultry housing is a fundamental decision that impacts the health and productivity of your flock. Proper housing helps prevent the spread of diseases by providing a clean and controlled environment. It also ensures the safety of your birds, protecting them from predators and harsh weather conditions. Well-designed housing can lead to better egg production by reducing stress and creating comfortable nesting areas. Whether you are just starting out or have years of experience, investing in the right housing supports the overall well-being of your poultry and contributes to a more successful farming operation. A well-designed poultry shelter is essential for the health and safety of your birds. Proper ventilation ensures a constant supply of fresh air, helping to prevent respiratory issues and control moisture levels inside the shelter. Adequate space allows each bird to move freely, reducing stress and the risk of disease. Protection from predators is also crucial, so sturdy walls and secure fencing are necessary to keep unwanted animals out. Additionally, the shelter should be constructed for easy cleaning, with smooth surfaces and accessible areas to maintain hygiene. Meeting these basic requirements creates a comfortable and secure environment for your poultry. Bamboo chicken coops present a sustainable and budget-friendly alternative for poultry keepers. Thanks to bamboo's natural strength, these coops are remarkably durable and can withstand various weather conditions. The material's lightweight nature also makes construction and relocation much easier compared to traditional wooden structures. One of the standout benefits is bamboo's ability to provide excellent airflow, helping to keep chickens cool and comfortable, especially in warmer climates. Additionally, bamboo is a renewable resource, making it an environmentally responsible choice. By choosing bamboo, you not only reduce costs, but also contribute to a greener future. Building a simple A-frame chicken tractor is an effective way to let your chickens graze safely while minimizing expenses. By using recycled materials such as old pallets, leftover wire mesh, and repurposed roofing, you can construct a sturdy yet lightweight structure. The A-frame design provides stability and is easy to move around your yard, ensuring your birds have access to fresh grass and insects. This approach not only reduces feed costs, but also promotes healthier, happier chickens. With a bit of creativity and some basic tools, you can create a functional chicken tractor that suits your flock's needs and your budget. Transforming old pallets into poultry houses is an innovative way to repurpose materials that might otherwise go to waste. Pallets are often easy to find and can be sourced from local businesses or warehouses at little to no cost. By carefully dismantling and reassembling these wooden structures, you can create a sturdy and functional shelter for your chickens. This approach not only saves money, but also promotes sustainability by reusing existing resources. With some basic tools and a bit of creativity, even beginners can construct a safe and comfortable home for their flock. The result is a practical, budget-friendly solution that meets the needs of both your poultry and your wallet. Deep litter systems offer a practical approach for managing poultry bedding. By allowing bedding material, such as straw or wood shavings, to accumulate and decompose gradually, these systems create a natural layer of insulation for the birds. This not only helps maintain a stable temperature in the coop, but also reduces the frequency of cleaning required. As the organic matter breaks down, it generates gentle warmth and can even improve air quality when managed correctly. Over time, the resulting composted material can be used as a valuable fertilizer for gardens. For poultry keepers, deep litter systems can lead to significant savings in both time and maintenance costs. Plastic barrels or drums can be transformed into practical chicken shelters with just a few modifications. By cutting an entry hole and adding ventilation, these containers provide a cozy, weather-resistant space for your flock. Their compact size makes them ideal for small backyards or limited spaces. With proper cleaning and placement, plastic barrels offer a safe and affordable alternative to traditional chicken coops. They are also lightweight, making them easy to move as needed. This creative approach helps reduce waste while giving your chickens a comfortable home. When evaluating different poultry housing options, several factors come into play. Traditional wooden coops are often sturdy and provide good insulation, but they can be expensive and require regular maintenance. Hoop houses, made from metal frames and plastic sheeting, are generally more affordable and quicker to assemble, though they may offer less protection in extreme weather. Mobile chicken tractors are ideal for small flocks and allow for easy rotation across pasture, but their limited size may not suit larger groups. In hot climates, open-air shelters with plenty of ventilation are preferable, while enclosed, insulated structures are better suited for colder regions. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your budget, the size of your flock, and the specific environmental conditions of your area. Finding affordable materials for your project often starts with exploring local suppliers, hardware stores, and even community marketplaces. By sourcing materials nearby, you can save on shipping costs and sometimes negotiate better prices in person. Consider repurposing or upcycling items from thrift shops or salvage yards, which can add unique character to your design while keeping expenses low. When customizing your designs, take accurate measurements and plan layouts that make the most of standard material sizes to minimize waste. Don't hesitate to adapt plans to suit your space or preferences, ensuring the final result is both functional and personal. Connecting with local craftsmen or DIY communities can also provide valuable insights and resources tailored to your area. Farmers who have adopted these innovative poultry housing ideas report remarkable improvements in their operations. Many have seen healthier flocks with lower rates of disease and stress among their birds. Improved ventilation and better space management have led to increased egg production and higher quality poultry products. Some farmers mention significant savings on energy and maintenance costs, thanks to more efficient designs. Others highlight how these changes have made daily chores easier and more manageable. Overall, these success stories demonstrate the tangible benefits of thoughtful housing solutions in boosting productivity and profitability for poultry businesses. To recap, we've explored 5 affordable yet highly effective poultry housing ideas. These include using recycled materials, constructing simple hoop houses, repurposing pallets, building mobile chicken tractors, and setting up deep litter systems. Each of these options offers practical benefits, from improved ventilation to easier cleaning and better protection from predators. By choosing one of these solutions, you can create a safe and comfortable environment for your flock without breaking the bank. Implementing these ideas can lead to healthier, happier birds and a more rewarding poultry keeping experience overall.